What do you like better, this one or this one?
Let me see the other one again. Huh. Okay, now the other one. Okay, change it again. Okay, the other one. Okay, let me see the other one.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I install these beautiful Tiana passion twists from Toyotress in the color OT4027. This is the 8-inch passion twist and they are absolutely gorgeous. And this color, amazing. So I started by pre-sectioning my hair into small to medium sections. I'm going in with my crochet hook to crochet the passion twist in. So I'm pulling only one end of the passion twist hair through. Then I'm going to just make sure that both ends are even. Next, I added some edge control to the length of my hair to help it blend in with the passion twist hair better. And then I'm just taking my hair, splitting it in half, one piece with one side of the passion twist hair, one piece with the other side. I'm twisting the hair itself and then twisting it around each other. And I'll give you a more close-up, detailed look at how I do this. So I twist about 90% of the way down, and then once I get to the end, I just coil it around my finger. So again, I insert the crochet hook, I take one of the twists and I untwist it. I fold the twist in half and then insert it onto the crochet hook, close the crochet hook, and then pull it through. So again, with my fingers, I'm twisting the hair and then twisting the pieces around each other, twisting the hair, twisting the pieces around each other. And I just continue this all the way about 90% of the hair, and then I coil the end. This is such a cute, simple style for the spring and summer. Definitely let me know in the comment sections below if you are going to try this style out. here are the final results. Absolutely in love with these Tiana passion twists from Toyotress. I will leave the link in the description box where you can purchase these. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video.